Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see classify data using sensitive information type for data protection and governance. Well, this is another video for Microsoft Purview information protection, which is SC400. Well, identifying and classifying sensitive items that are under your organization control is the first step in the information protection discipline. Microsoft Purview provides three ways of identifying items. You can do it manually by users. You can do it through automated pattern recognition like sensitive information types, and you can do it through machine learning. Sensitive information types, or SIT, are pattern-based classifiers. Okay. They detect sensitive information like social security, credit card, or bank account numbers. Microsoft provides a large number of pre-configured SITs, or you can also create it on your own. Now, sensitive information types are used in Microsoft Purview data loss prevention policies, sensitivity labels, retention labels, insider risk management, communication compliance, auto labeling policies, and Microsoft Priva or Priva, anyways you want to pronounce it. There are some categories of sensitive information types. There are built-in sensitive information types. First is built-in. Microsoft provides a range of pre-configured SITs that are readily available with Microsoft Purview. These are some commonly recognized sensitive information types. Another are named entity sensitive information types. Okay. Now, named entity SITs automatically identify specific types of named entities such as person names, physical address, or medical terms or conditions. Your third one is custom sensitive information types. Now, if the pre-configured sensitive information types don't meet your needs, you can create your own custom SITs, but it falls under the categories for the sensitive information types available in Microsoft Purview. Now, you have exact date match sensitive information types. Now, EDM or exact date match are built from scratch. EDM based classification enables you to create custom sensitive information types. Now, there are fundamental parts of a sensitive information types. What are those? It has a name, it has a description, okay, it has a pattern, which contains primary element, supporting element, confidence level, or proximity. You can create custom sensitive information types as well using the UI for the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. You can use regular expressions, keywords, and keyword dictionaries. You can use EDM or exact data match or date match. It's a data match based classification as well. Now, using EDM would enable you to create a dynamic sensitive information type using a secure database that you can refresh periodically. You can use PowerShell as well. You can provide match or not a match accuracy feedback in sensitive information types. Now, if you will go on Microsoft Learn and you would see the sensitive information types or more information on that, you can see an interactive guide. I'll open that for you and show you so we can see classify data using sensitive information type using the interactive guide that is available from Microsoft. Right, so this interactive guide is loading. Okay, you can go to the Microsoft Learn SC400, open up the module, and this will start.
In this interactive guide, you'll learn how to classify data using sensitive information types, or SITs.
So if you will click on next, it will say that, okay, information protection, identify sensitive items, use pre-built SITs. And here you see that this is what you see when you log on to compliance.microsoft.com. And then you click on data classification, you click on classifiers, you down scroll it, and you will see all the classifiers, inbuilt classifiers. You click on credit card number, scroll here, you scroll down and you would see this. Now open the new tab button, you click on format of the credit card number, you scroll it down and you will see this is the format, right? You close the button, you click matched items, you click the folder on the portal, you see this credit card number items, you click on the link and then you click on close. You click on second item. You can expand the screen on the portal itself. Click on contextual summary, you click on details, and here you see, click on match. You will see all the details here that are coming up. Help Microsoft improve the accuracy of its built-in classifiers. If you see it, you saw it, you click on close, click sensitive info types, search item, see driver license, identification, you clear it, you click on sort, all credential types, click on the new tab button, you again click on format. Now you will see the formats of here of the all credentials. It's available on the portal. You've seen the format. Next button. You click on close. Now you click on Context Explorer. You click on scroll down. Now you see this social security number. You open it. Open the folder. Contextual summary. Here it is. Now you click on classifiers. Now create sensitive info type. You click on the main item, research and development. You enter the description, whatever you want to. Hit next. Create a pattern. Confidence level. You click on medium for now. Add primary element. Keyword list. You can keep it same. And then mention the case sensitive. Again, you click on create pattern. Add the primary element. Keyword list. Choose from existing record list. Click this. The one that you created. Select it. Click on add. Click on done. Scroll down. Add supporting elements. Regular expression. and then they enter the regular expression that you selected, and you are done. Next, then you click on create. Review the settings. It is submitting your selected items. It will take some time. Your sensitive info type is created. You click on done. Okay. So now this is, you have the classification of data using sensitive information type or SIT for data protection and governance. In the next video, we will see how we can classify data using trainable classifiers. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.